Okay, I'm going to show you all my birds. Now, these guys don't get a name because they're like hooks. See this? It's just like a screw. So I put them in the wall. I'll hold my curtains back. Okay. There's, oh, that one down there. That's Frederica. Okay, this here is Utka. He's a duck. This guy down here, this guy right here is Major Tom, or sometimes we call him the old Major. And this one is Meyer Grom. That's Russian for thunder. He's like a superhero kind of guy. He's a cop. I've got that guy up there. He does not have a name either because he's one of those screwed guys. Let's see. Same there. But look at this cool thing. I didn't have any way to hang this up, so I rigged up rubber bands, and this guy's holding this plant up. Isn't that cool? This is Sunny. That up there is Jorge. That's Ivy. This is Woody. Woody. Okay, this is Roxanne and Crystal. That's Reggie. This is Mrs. McNabb, the Turk, and Tree. This is Sergey. Oh, that's Margot. Okay. I call her Mishonchka. A Russian nesting doll is called a Mitroshka, but I picture that she's like Michonne from The Walking Dead. And these two guys here, this is Evelyn and Peppa. This guy, I don't know if I gave him a name or not. He's a cookie cutter. He normally has this tiny little white bird inside him, and we call him Sodium. Down here we have Peter and Paul. Shoot, I forget this guy's name. The kids named him. Here's Uncle Nobby. This guy is Eggbird. I did not name this. This guy back here, oh, that's Wenceslas. This lovely lady here is Sylvia. Isn't she beautiful? And this guy back here, that's Barry. Okay, there's Lillian and Tina. Here's Mary Kay. And over here, there he is. This is Chris. I named him after the drummer in the Partridge Family. Let me see. See, isn't he so pretty? Finally, we have Hans Solar. He's very glittery. So we say he used to have a former life as an exotic dancer, and his stage name was Honky Ponky. And now he's Hans Solar. He's turned his life around. And these guys, okay, they're not birds, but they're Chad and Brad, the Platypus brothers.